New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. 46 degrees. We're gonna ride motorcycles. Run that intro. Well, it's warmed up a little bit. The sun feels pretty good. I'll get you time and temperature check. This is pre-New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. Yep. I am Iron Man. Dong, dong, dong. Oh, welcome to the Blue Bike Doors channel. We do some Oh Do You Know for about New Year's Day. New Year's Day and New Year's Eve. What's their address right there? They ain't got no number on it. Pretty bad when you don't know your neighbor's addresses and all. They kind of jump around. Ooh, that wind's cool on the old legs. I should have put my chaps on. That feels better. So it says it's 26 degrees, but it's been sitting out in the sun. You'd think it'd be warmer than that. Tomorrow I think it's supposed to be getting cooler. Not get up high. It's supposed to get up like 50 something today. This is December 31st, last ride of the year. You know, oh me. People put theirs up. Their last ride of the year was like a month ago or two. Maybe even longer than that. Superman Kev. He probably put his up September. Yeah. October maybe. Oh well, that's what we get. We're living down here in the south, you know, all this global warming. We're supposed to be underwater by now, at least Tampa and Jacksonville, Panama City, and all the coaster LA and all the coaster places, Hawaii, all them places supposed to be underwater by now because the ice caps are melting. You believe that BS? Because the cows pooping, we can't have cows. You know, cows are vegetarian, so therefore I can eat vegetarian, right? That's what this one girl was saying on Instagram. She eats chicken, and because chicken's it's not an animal, it's a poultry. It's classified as poultry. And chickens eat vegetarian, which that's not true. Chickens eat meat too. Oh me, you know, everybody doing these flashback on 2033. I'm not even gonna look back at 2023 because I'm gonna look forward to the future, not live in the past. So we're gonna ride over here to Temple, Georgia, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm trying to figure out which way I want to go. So we'll see you when we get over there. To the end, here's a fun fact about Oh Do You Know for the guy in the shed. Oh, do you know that's New Year's Eve parties in Times Square produces 50 million tons? Is that what it said? 50 tons of trash left in Times Square. There's some nasty people in New York leave 50 tons of trash. Oh, and another fact, oh, do you know, while we're in there, each one of the little confetti things they drop has a message in it about the new year, whatever, you know, wishing you the best, I guess. I don't know. I wish I was riding motorcycles. Woo, let's turn that down. So let's oh, do you know some more facts about New Year's Eve and New Year's Day traditions? Kick it to the man in the shed. Whew. Hey, I'm the king of mail call, but this is, oh, do you know that in Brazilians, Brazilians in Brazilians, they have, their New Year tradition is they party at the beach. And they make 7 wishes and jump 7 ways to make good luck. We just eat black-eyed peas here and cornbread and turnip greens. Hey, that's some fun facts, wasn't it? I'm not the only one. Well, I'm going to ride with some other guys, so therefore I won't be the only one riding today. But there's a motorcycles and 2 cars in front of me. He's past this slow guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is, I guess you can pass, but this is 2 lanes coming at you, and he's passing. But it says you can pass on, it's not a solid yellow line. So I guess as long as that car didn't want that right lane, I mean, yeah, the left lane, it'd have been all right. I ain't got but 3 miles, and I got to turn. Well, yeah, something like that. Patience, patience, patience. Click, click, boom. Alright, we down here in Tampa, Georgia. Discount savages. They discount them savages. Them savages. I don't know why I keep saying savages. Alright, let's see who all's here. We gotta go up here to the Angles. I think you can turn before you get to the Angles. I believe you can. Right. I thought we discussed that last time. We came riding down here with these people. This white car is slowing us down. Slowing us down. There's some motorcycles. Whee! Like Barry. And I can't remember names. Names escapes me. Should have counted the bikes, shouldn't I? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I left this one on my helmet on, but it's got 35 minutes of standing around talking. I edited that out. That one up there is dead. Battery's dead in it because I left it on. I think we got 10 bikes. We had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's 10 of us. So we're going to ride up to Rockmart at Jefferson's. They got some pretty good wings and sandwiches. It's just going to go across that road. We went to across Paris Mountain and Hedgeson Road. Oh, me. Now I'm hoarse. Horsey, horsey, horsey. Let's kick it over to the guy in the shed and see what he got. Some old do you know facts about New Year's Day and New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Oh, do you know? Hello, I'm the Christmas ghost of Christmas past, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. But do you know in Denmark, it seemed like a fun thing, we should do it here. But in Denmark, their tradition is they throw plates at their family and friends' front door on New Year's Eve. We threw that at enemies. That's good facts. So it's warmed up to 51 degrees, 12:24 Eastern Standard Time. I forgot where I was at. So let's see if we got any more useless. Oh, do you know facts about New Year's Eve and New Year's Day celebrations and all that good stuff? Guy in the shed, tell us about it. Hey y'all, it's really cold in here. Let's see, did he do the Denmark one? Okay. Do you know the New Year baby tradition is really old? It started back in 600 BC. That's 600. B is in boy, C is in Christ. In Greece, it was a tradition that what was that? I can't remember, but anyway, it says something about, they carry the newborn babies around streets of Greece, 600 BC. Way back in, in Greece. All right, well, we're getting close to another 10 miles, and we'll be at Jefferson in Rockmart, Georgia. This is 101. Comes out there on 278, I guess, unless we don't turn no more. 113 and 101. I think they call this York. I think that's the name of it. Little community. So let's see if we got any more old, facts about New Year's Eve traditions. Oh, do you know that the dropping of the ball tradition was actually for sailors in Greenwich? Every day they would drop a ball, or I think it was a ball or something. I can't remember. But anyway, they would drop it at 1 p.m. every day so the ship's captains could calibrate their navigational equipment. And then now we drop it at midnight to celebrate the New Year. Happy New Year's. So we're about 9 miles from the eating place. So any more useless facts there, guy in the shed? Hey, oh, do you know, speaking of ball droppings, excuse me while I pull myself up out of the gutter for saying ball dropping. But the tradition of the New York Times Square deal party was started in 1904 by newspapers, what it said in the Google machine. But the dropping of the ball didn't happen to 1907 was the first ball drop. And there was 2 years, 42 and 43, 1942 and 43, there wasn't no celebration. Do you know why? Oh, do you know why? Because it was a moment of silence for WW2, for the soldiers and all that was overseas. I sweep myself out. All right, I don't know why they scooting through them. Oh, sorry. Oh. Do you know? I'm waiting. Oh, do you know that Americans drank 360 million glasses of sparkling wine New Year's Day Eve? Bunch of alcoholics. That was a good meal there. Wings and all. Well, this place is busy. Alright, we leave in Jefferson's, and it's warmed up to 52 degrees. Woohoo! I don't think I need to shut that right now. We ain't got a stop sign here, and these people, we ain't got a stop sign. What we stopping for, Barry? Where you going? Oh, because you got to go up and go around. I see, said the blind man. Go around and come back in the other way. So while we trying to figure out how to get back out here on 278, how about some useless facts about from the guy in the shed? Oh, welcome back to Do You Know in the shed. We got a lot of tradition, black-eyed peas, good luck, cornbread's good luck. Well, the green's supposed to bring you wealth, and is what they say. Turnip greens and greens brings you wealth. Black-eyed peas brings you luck. The cornbread just makes the bean taste good. I guess. That's some of the traditions that Americans do. But there are also some bad luck stuff that you're not supposed to eat on Thanksgiving. I guess some people up in Maine might eat them for Thanksgiving. But anyway, it's bad luck on New Year's Day to eat lobsters or chicken, because lobsters can swim backwards and chicken scratches backwards. That's what the Google machine says. So therefore, you can't move forward. So it's bad luck to eat a lobster and a chicken on New Year's Day. Keeps you from moving forward. Speaking of moving forward, see you later, alligator. I think eating chicken is on the, yeah, whatever. I don't know. Give us some more useless facts there. So we fixed to wind it up, and I want to enjoy my ride home. I don't know which way he's going. I thought he was going to go over that Hutchinson Road. If it was, we should have turned back that way. I don't know. Maybe he's going to go. I don't know if he knows where he's going. Those some sparky sparks. Sparky sparks. Everything. So, we'll see you. Have a happy New Year's, a safe one, and all that good stuff. We'll see you in Daytona. All that good stuff. Alrighty then, you go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a big thumbs up. We'll have a happy New Year's.